Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add your bank account to be able to make withdrawals in Vinted in 2025. If you want to withdraw from your balance in Vinted, you'll need to add your bank account first. So go to Profile, then scroll down to Settings, and now go to Accounts, go to Payments. Now find Add Bank Account, click on that, then you'll need to enter the account holder's name and the IBAN number. IBAN number is the international bank account number, which means it's your bank account number, but at the beginning there are two letters of your country. And most probably you can find your IBAN in the bank app, but also if your country has a standard two-letter symbol that indicates the country, then you can, if you already know it, then you can just enter it at the beginning of the bank account number. In my case it's PL because I'm based in Poland, and then I'll need to enter the rest of the bank account number. It will take a moment, so I'll get back to you shortly. Also, billing address may need to be added. If you haven't added it, click on Approve here. Then enter a code sent to your email. So I'll do it. And now it's done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.